Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to reviewing Microsoft Surface Studio 2 newest version. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check out the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's start with the video. The newest Microsoft Surface Studio 2 is the best Surface Studio ever. The Surface Studio 2 comes with Intel Core i7 processors, discrete NVIDIA GeForce GPU, and SSD storage. The strikingly large 28-inch pixel-sense display is a stunning touchscreen, with 13.5 million pixels of true-to-life color. Tilt the display weightlessly, to work at 20 degrees down in studio mode, or upright in desktop mode. Keep creativity flowing when you draw with the improved Surface Pen, and use Surface Dial for intuitive shortcuts. Runs intensive professional-grade software like SolidWorks, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Autodesk. Your creativity and productivity come together with Surface Studio 2, Office 365, and intuitive tools designed to unleash a natural, seamless flow of your ideas. It's one of the best Surface Studio ever. That can be the best companion of your daily works and entertainment. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comments section. Please like the video, and subscribe our channel, for watching more videos.